Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Windrose game stuck on loading screen, not loading, or stuck on infinite loading screen problem on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is reset save data and cloud sync. So the steps include is first disable Steam Cloud. So open Steam, go to library, then right click on Windrose and then select properties. Now in the general tab you will see this Steam Cloud option. If it is turned on, then turn it off. Now step 2 of the fix one is to delete the local save folder. Now please take a note, deleting the local save folder will delete the saved game progress. So if you want to keep the backup, then keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So press Windows plus R button and in the run box type %local app data % and then click on OK. And here look for the R5 folder. Here it is R5 folder. Right click on the R5 folder and then first copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. And after keeping the backup, just right click on it and then select delete to delete it. This contains your local save data. Now step 3 of fix 1 is to launch the game. So simply open Steam and then launch the Windrose game. And launch the game while cloud sync is still off. When this Steam Cloud keeps game saves in Steam Cloud for Windrose is still off, make sure it is off and then you launch the game and it should take you the character creation screen. Create a temporary character to reach the main menu and then don't play the game, just exit the game after creating the temporary character. Now step 4 is to restore your original save. Now go back to the Steam properties and then turn on the Steam Cloud, just toggle it on. And after toggling it on, then you can relaunch the game and when prompted with a cloud sync conflict, select use cloud save to download your original progress from the server. And then this will fix the not loading or stuck on loading screen problem or stuck on infinite loading screen problem on PC. This fix has solved the issue for many players. So I hope this will fix the issue for you as well. Now if still your problem is not solved, then here are the additional fixes. Fix 2 is verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Windrose game and then select properties. Go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been completed, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to update graphic card driver. So make sure you are using the latest drivers from NVIDIA or AMD as shader compilation issues can stall the loading process. And fix 4 is to run the game as an administrator. So go to the game installation folder, open C drive, program files, x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, Windrose folder. And inside the Windrose folder, you will see the Windrose exe file. Right click on it and then select run as administrator and check if that works or not. If not, then open the R5 folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Then right click on Windrose Win64 shipping exe file. And then select properties, then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check if this fixes the problem or not. And the last solution is to disable security or firewall. So some players found that router security settings like Spectrum Security Shield or Windows Firewall or Smart Control app were blocking the connections to the servers, causing an infinite load. So disable the security or firewall and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Windrose game stuck on loading screen, not loading or stuck on infinite loading screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.